Hello learners, so we are back today with our another question. The question name is for some part 2. So let's see what the question says. The question says given four list ABCD of integer value, compute how many tuples I, j, k, l there are such that AI plus bj plus ck plus dl is 0. Okay, to make problem a bit easier, all A, B, C, D have same length of n where 0 less than equal to n less than equal to 500. All integers are in the range of minus 2 to the power 28 to 2 to the power 28 minus 1, and the result is guaranteed to be at most 2 to the power 31 minus 1. Okay, so let's see. A is 1 comma 2, B is minus 2 comma minus 3, C is minus 1 comma 2, and D is 0 comma 2. Okay, so suppose output is 2. Why? Because there are two we can do by taking 1 minus 2 minus 1 and 2. First is this one which compute to 0, and the second one is 2 minus 2 and 2 comma 0. This computes to 0. So because there are two ways we can make them 0, that's why the output is 0. Now how we can solve it, Ayushi? So guys, we can solve it by easiest method called order. Like we can compute each and every, like we can take loop for a dot length 0 to a dot length n. In that we can take 0 to b dot length, and for 0 to c dot length, and like nested loop again 0 to d dot length. And here we can compute a of I plus a of I plus b of j plus c of k plus d of l is equals to 0. If this is, we can do count plus plus. Okay, but this whole nested loop thing will take order of n की power 4. Okay, and it will lead us to TLE. So we want some another solution of this problem. Okay, so how we can do? Uh, we have done question like two sum problem in which we have 2 I plus aj and we have to equate it equal to target. So if we can do something like this, the complexity will increase gradually. Okay, so how we can make this thing into this thing? Let's see. So we are saying that a of I plus b of j plus c of k plus d of l is equals to 0. Okay, so what if we do that, like a of I plus b of j is equals to minus of c of k plus its k, c of k, okay, sorry, C of k plus D of L. So basically this will decrease our time complexity in order of n square plus order of n square, which is order of 2n to the power square. Okay, which is much more relevant, and this will give us AC. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. We can use hash map so that we can store our sum of a and b, and further we can use it when we are computing c plus d. Okay, so how we can do this? Okay, so let's understand this with the help of the code. Okay, I have grabbed my code here. So what I have done is we have initialized count equals to 0 because initially there will be no count. Okay, we have taken a map. In which there are integer okay, let's write here. We have map integer comma integer and p, where this one is for our sum and this one is for our frequency, okay, of that particular sum. Okay, so we are heading towards this one, which will lead us to the order of n squared. Now let's see what is in this particular thing. We have we have uh, we have the sum of a and b, and then we have put it into the map. If it is present over there, then we have incremented that frequency, and if not presented over, if it does not contains, then we have put it with value 1, with its frequency 1 basically. Okay, and further that, now we have mapped for a plus b. Okay, now we have to check for c plus d. Okay, in minus, make sure in minus. So what we have done, we have again iterated in the loop of order of n square, in which we have again calculated the sum of c and d, and we have seen that if this sum minus 1 contains map into the map, then count plus equals to map dot get value of that. Matlab, it means that we are taking the frequency, the number of times that particular sum occurred. Okay, and then we returned the count uh, of that particular thing. Okay, so this is the way we can do. Here the time complexity of is order of n square, and the space complexity is come out to be order of n. Okay, order of n in like worst case. Okay, so thank you so much. Be safe and keep coding. Bye.